Hello, my friends. What a month it has been. Am I right? I know. I don't know how time can go so fast, but let me tell you, it does. As I get older and older, I realize time is going faster and faster. I can't stop it. We've had such an amazing month at the Stamps of Life, and I thought it would be best to kind of put a big recap all together for you, because I'm worried there might be something that you didn't get to see, and I want to make sure you see it, okay? We started the month off with our Posies to Stamp as our Stamp and Die Hard Club, and look at how gorgeous those are. Here's another example of just the dies using a brushed ink around it. So beautiful, so stunning. Here's one with the doily and on a stand-up. I love it. Here's one using the stems as the add-on. We had lots of different add-ons for those posies because you know what? I just could not stop designing. I was having so much fun. Here's one with the stems and the fun stitched background of the flower, which I absolutely love. Then I even made a flower pot box, folds flat for mailing, but then you pop it open and look at how adorable that is. You grow, girl. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Then we came out with our double window card, which is so much fun. You are loved, and you get to open it up. It's literally like a Z card, but it's 3 panels. It's so fun. You're going to have so much fun with this. Here's another example of it. You can use any background die you want to. This one uses our burlap netting background, which I love. So many different options with this one, and I can't wait to see what you create. Did you know you can upload to our online gallery? We made it even easier, so if you haven't done it recently, you need to go check it out and upload those creations so everyone can see them. We then came out with You Are My Sunshine card front. This song is one of the most, besides Jesus Loves Me, this song is probably my most favorite to sing to my children and to my grandchildren. And I get teary-eyed every time the part says, "You'll never know how much I love you," because they really won't, will they? Oh, just love them so much. And then postage stamp fold it. I've waited forever to release this one. Finally got to release it. I absolutely love it. You're going to fall in love with it if you haven't gotten it yet already. Then we came out with a 5x7 small scalloped rectangle set. Now, those of you that have smaller 6-inch machines can now make 5x7 card bases. Right? I know. It just opened up a whole new world to you. It's so amazing. We also released our A1 top fold. So now you have the option of doing A1 card bases with a top fold. I love top folds because they stand so well for display. I love that. Then we came out with some more cow animals, more farm animals, because as you know, we did Liam and Miller's birthday party in the farm theme. So of course I had to design new guys, new peeps, not little peeps, don't think, but cute little cow, cute little horse. Absolutely love them. So much fun. Here's another cute little horse. Oh, they're so cute. I love them so much. Oh, here's another postage stamp one. Love it. I'm telling you guys, you're going to have so much fun with that one. Then we came out with the new creative decks. Those of you that are in love, like some of us, of the creative decks, now there's a new shape. It's called, I believe, brackets, number 1. And the cool thing about this one is it has a mini version in the set as well. Regular, mini, regular, mini. So many options. Here's another one. Then we released the massive 4-inch alphabet and numbers and symbols in 4 inches. Can you believe that? Look at how cute it is on this banner. I absolutely love it. The Stamps of Life, TSOL, the Stamps of Life. Love it. And here's another one, 16. So if you want to do any number cards, you can get those big numbers and you can make any card number you want, which is so fun. Then we re-released a couple items, including our fairy tale collection. So now is your chance to get the Enchanted to Stamp and Die set. Finally available. They sold out almost instantly when we released them, and we brought them back as soon as we could. So now's your chance to get those, and the hologram paper that we used in that. Awesome. And my Star Flip It. Dun, 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 dun. We also released a lot more. We released the card stand, finally. We released the Chastity Bag by Totally Tiffany. We released Slimline clear envelopes, so you can put your Slimline cards in clear envelopes. So much fun at the Stamps of Life. Now, if you missed out on any of these items and you subscribe to any of our clubs, boom, you're getting 15 to 20% off all of them. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and check it out. If you're not a subscriber of one of our clubs, you definitely need to go check out our website. Click on Join the Club tab and just watch it. Just check it out. I have a feeling you might fall in love. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.